Too many utility meters. Too little clarity? Energy bills rising unexpectedly? No insight into when or where resources are wasted. It's time to stop guessing and start optimizing. Introducing Utility 360 by TechnoViz, your single platform to measure, monitor, and master your utility performance. Monitors electricity, water, air, gas, and steam all in real time. Smart alerts for overuse, leaks, or downtime. Custom dashboards and reports at your fingertips. Reduce costs, meet sustainability goals, and take full control. Whether you run a plant, a hospital, or a smart building, Utility 360 adapts to your needs. Gain insights across shifts, spot anomalies before they cost you, and take timely action without the guesswork. With Utility 360, our customers have cut utility waste by up to 30%, simplified energy audits, and aligned with ISO 50001 best practices effortlessly. We moved from chaos to clarity with Utility 360. Now we know exactly where we stand and where we can save. Don't let utility costs control you. Take control with TechnoViz Utility 360.